Don't ignore hard-to-reach zerks. Whether they're behind an axle, given no clearance, or just don't match the maintenance chart, don't ignore them. Relocate them. Use our Relocation Manifold kits to simplify and streamline machine maintenance. Grease faster and easier with less mess and less downtime. Move all those troublesome fittings to one place. The kit includes 10 feet of pre-filled hose per manifold point. Choose up to 6 ports on a manifold. All the mounting hardware shown is included. And when you're done, you can almost hear the bearings breathe a sigh of relief. Learn more at LockNLube.com.